Hello, Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Saturday the 28th of June, with a quick look ahead at Sunday's forecast as well. We'll start though with a look at tomorrow's weather map. Now we can see broad areas of high pressure across western parts of the country and in the east. In these parts of Australia, we are looking at a cool morning and then a mostly settled day tomorrow. We do have a cold front approaching the southeast late tomorrow, which is likely to bring some showers and possible snow to the southeast over the weekend. We've also got showers developing across parts of northern and inland Queensland as this low pressure trough deepens across those inland areas. Let's take a state-by-state look at the forecast now, starting with Queensland. Tomorrow we are likely to see showers and light rain increasing across those northern inland parts of Queensland as moisture is dragged in around this low pressure trough. Now the rainfall totals are not expected to be high, but this rain is unseasonable for this time of year. We are also likely to see a few showers about the far northern Cape York Peninsula, the North Tropical Coast and in the far southeast, but again rainfall totals are not expected to be high. For Brisbane tomorrow, we are heading for a possible shower or two and a top of 21 degrees. Widespread frosts on and west of the Divide across New South Wales tomorrow morning, with the chance of fog across eastern and central districts. Otherwise, it will be a sunny and mostly dry day, with the exception being the northeast of the state, where we'll see a little bit more cloud and the chance of some showers about the coast north of around Newcastle or so. For Sydney tomorrow, we are heading for a mostly sunny top of 18 degrees. After a frosty start down in Canberra, we're looking at a sunny top of 13 degrees. Morning frosts and fogs are once again on the forecast for Victoria tomorrow, mostly inland. We are looking at mostly sunny daytime conditions, a little bit cloudier through the south and west, particularly later in the day as this low pressure trough approaches. We may also see a few showers developing about the southwest later in the day. For Melbourne, we are heading for a mostly sunny top of 15 degrees. Patchy morning frost and fog across parts of Tasmania tomorrow. Then we're looking at mostly sunny and dry conditions through the east, cloudier through the west and south, however, with showers increasing as the day goes on. Those showers are coming in ahead of this cold front you can see approaching here. We may see as much as 20 millimetres about elevated parts of the west and the exposed western coasts by the end of Saturday. For Hobart, we are looking at a partly cloudy top of 15 degrees tomorrow. The chance of morning frost across much of inland South Australia tomorrow, with very low overnight temperatures forecast. We may see some patchy morning fogs through the south, and then for southern parts of the state we are looking at a partly cloudy day with the chance of a few showers about the southeast coastal fringe, most likely later on in the day. It will remain dry and sunny in the north. For Adelaide tomorrow, we are heading for a partly cloudy day and a top of 15 degrees. Morning fogs are possible across southern parts of Western Australia tomorrow, with the chance of morning frost in the southeast. Otherwise, we are expecting a mostly dry and sunny day, a little bit cloudier close to that south coast. For Perth, we're looking at a partly cloudy top of 21 degrees. Cool, dry and mostly settled across the Northern Territory tomorrow after the chance of some morning frosts across those southern areas. We may see a little bit of cloud about the eastern top end coast and across the far eastern Carpentaria district, with a possible shower in those areas. For Darwin though, we're heading for a mostly sunny top of 31 degrees. Now let's take a quick look at Sunday's forecast. Most of our weather systems remain ongoing as we go from Saturday into Sunday. Across the northeast, this low pressure trough extends further south, bringing that risk of showers and rain areas across much of eastern Queensland on Sunday. Again, the rainfall totals are expected to be fairly low from this system. Brisbane is heading for a shower or two and a top of 21 degrees. Moving further to the southeast, our cold front will have moved through the southeastern states, leaving showers for Tasmania and parts of Victoria and possible snow about some of those ranges. We are looking at a very chilly day in the southeast, just 11 degrees for Hobart, 13 for Melbourne and Canberra, up to 19 degrees in sunnier skies for Sydney, but we could see a possible shower or two for Adelaide and a top of just 16 degrees. Over in the west, it will be drier, but a little bit of cloud lingering about the southwest there, Perth heading for a top of 20 degrees. And in the north, we'll see these drier conditions continuing. Darwin heading for a partly cloudy top of 31 degrees. Now you can find the detailed forecast for your area via the Bureau's website, the Bomb Weather app, and via our social media. Have a great weekend, and we'll catch you next time.